All right, my children, was good. Good morning. I'm gonna do a quick trade breakdown for y'all. It's real simple, real easy. And I'm gonna make it quick. We had this little consolidation area. We then broke, which means that we are in a bear structure on the hourly. Um, this morning, right? We came. Oh my goodness. So this morning, when we came to the chart, we were in this area and we were getting ready for a high impact news. Therefore, I figured that this was gonna be a liquidity sweep. So what that means is instead of just stopping at this little resistance area and just dropping, price will fake traders out and also take some stop losses. So people will be getting the buys here just because they see this break of resistance. And then some people will also just have their stop losses here after selling in this area. So liquidity sweeps take those traders out, take all that money, and then go in the opposite direction. So the reason why I figured that this was going to be a liquidity sweep is because, like I said, we had news on the we had news at 8:30, and we're sitting in that area um, right before it. And like you're gonna get used to seeing these type of things, which will give you like the confidence to have a certain bias or whatever. But yeah. So once we and I literally thought about taking sales up here, but I was like, let me just make sure I follow my rules and stuff like that. You want to practice being consistent and stuff like that before you even like try to do extra stuff. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be doing extra shit for no reason. So once we got this break on the 8:30 candle, I did draw the supply up. Although I was like, we're probably not even gonna come all the way back up here. Um, at least not in my trading session. I just figured we're not gonna come all the way back up here because I've noticed like when I see huge drops like this, we never really come back all the way up. Um, most of the time we just keep on dropping. So I ended up drawing another supply right here. Reason why is because we we're still getting like some aggressive pushing out of here, although it wasn't like a huge move like this and stuff like that. Because we rather honestly would see stuff like this, but it's because it was news. That's the reason why I'm I wasn't really thinking that we are gonna come all the way back up here at that time. So we were able to capitalize on these supplies right here. Um, I took my trade right here, had my stop loss right there. Reason why I took the trades because we rejected this supply zone, and I literally got out of the perfect zone. Like I did got out. I don't think I got out right there. I got out like probably like right there. Um, and the reason why is because on the hourly, if you look, well, number one, like I always say, if you can just grab a 1-to-1. Make sure the trade presents a 1-to-1 at least, and if you can grab more, grab more. The reason why I decided to just get out of the trade was because we're sitting in this previous area of support, which means that price could continue going back up. But one thing I will say is we are 21 minutes into this hourly candle. If you see this hourly candle flip, then we're probably gonna continue down. And the reason why is because like you don't see like a wick down here. Most candles they have wicks both ways. You know what I'm saying? So if you're getting strong pushes up like this, especially in the beginning of the hour, there's a decent chance that price will end up flipping. And it might not continue all the way down, but I think if it flips, it's gonna continue down and it's gonna come to this area right here. Reason why is because we got a lot of rejection in this area right here, right here, right here. This is a nice little area for price to go down to. And if not, then we could also come down to this area right here where you see a lot of oh shoot. I hate when that happens. I'll just draw this little line. We got a lot of support in here. So those are two areas that I see price going to if the candle flips. But if it doesn't, then we'll probably continue up either up here or maybe even to retest this before making a any type of drops or anything like that. All right. I hope that was real easy. Yeah, that's it. Bye.